Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 6.4% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 4.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
European stocks were set to pull back slightly amid a volatile week as investors monitor the conflict in Ukraine and fluctuations in commodity prices. Transaction fees on the Ethereum network have declined considerably due to dwindling demand and cooling of crypto markets. The euro added to its overnight biggest daily jump since 2016 after the European Central Bank said it would phase out its stimulus package in the third quarter.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig account will be released at 1800 GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 GMT. Germany's consumer price index at 0700 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1500 GMT. The UK's Gross Domestic Product at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.